Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
If there is a plastic cover here, ours may be missing. Not sure, it's an older car. If you do have a plastic cover, it looks like it would clip into here and then up here along the trim. Just pull that down, get it out of the way, and get your blower motor. Blower motor resistor is here. To remove it, there's two Phillips head screws. Unscrew it. Get that one out first. Pull the resistor straight out. With it out, you can unplug it. Push in the lock here, pull it out. There's a resistor. I'll reinstall the resistor. I'll line it up in the correct orientation. The flat side here, the pointed side here. Flip it over, push it into the opening. Reinstall the self-tapping Phillips head screws. Plug the connector back in. It'll click when it locks into place. Blower motor resistor is replaced.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.